Hello, this is novaTopFlex. This video is a video where I showcase exactly what I have to type. I might have errors at first, but they will be self-corrected by my part. So this novaTopFlex project is basically a demonstration in C++. And unfortunately, if you were to actually use this code, whitespace would become a separate argument. You are only allowed, basically, you're only allowed one word, or yes, whitespace. If you have a space in there, then anything after the space will be ignored. The space itself will be ignored as well. So that's why I had to change cn to getLine later. But in this code, this is my first example, and then novaTopFlex is just one word, so that's why it would succeed. So I am doing this code to ask for an event. It has to be one word in this setup. And then later on, ask for the projected attendance. If you're an event organizer, if you have your projections, if you have your anything related to attendance projections, festival, event, etc. Now, this is not the official version that novaTopFlex has, or is even aspiring to have using code. Later computer programs will get more advanced on the novatop channel anyways. If you like this type of content, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Signing off.